How to unlock cars in Need for Speed. If you want cooler, faster rides, here's how to unlock new cars in Need for Speed on your phone. Open your Need for Speed application. Play through career mode, special event, and daily mission to earn blueprints, cash, and reward. Each car requires a certain number of blueprints to unlock. You can earn them from events, creates, and black market. Tap the store icon or black market tab to find limited time offers and car parts you can buy using gold or cash. Once you have enough blueprints, the car unlocks automatically. Head to your garage and you are ready to ride. And that's how to unlock cars in Need for Speed on your phone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.